I will like to apprise you about the facts relating to the leisure and entertainment project in Wazirabad. Now, this is a project which has been conceptualized in the year 2002-2003. That is the time when the government of Haryana thought of having a leisure and entertainment project. In pursuance of that, the notification for the acquisition of land was issued in the year 2003.
तो HSIIDC की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप सुन रहे थे। एक एक आरोप का जवाब दे रहे हैं। जो अरविंद केजरीवाल ने आरोप लगाया उन्हें खारिज किया है। कहा है कि ईस्ट इंडिया होटल लिमिटेड ने जो जमीन है वो DLF को दी थी, हरियाणा सरकार की इसमें कोई भूमिका नहीं थी। और ये जो 30 एकड़ जमीन जो अस्पताल बनाने की बात की जा रही है, उस जमीन की बात की उन्होंने, और उसमें कहा है कि 16 साल पहले ही ये जो जमीन है इसे रिलीज कर दिया गया था। उसके बाद ईस्ट इंडिया होटल कंपनी की ये जिम्मेदारी थी कि वो उस पर अस्पताल बनाए, वो नहीं बना पाई और बाद में उसने DLF को ये जमीन दी। DLF को किसी भी तरह की कोई रियायत हरियाणा सरकार के किसी अधिकारी ऑफिसर ने नहीं दी है, ये साफ किया है इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से। HSIIDC की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चंडीगढ़ में चल रही है और उसमें कहा गया है कि जो बात की जा रही है कि हरियाणा सरकार ने जो 30 एकड़ जमीन थी अस्पताल के लिए वो DLF को दी, तो उस पर साफ किया गया है कि हरियाणा सरकार की इसमें कोई भूमिका नहीं है। DLF को जमीन कंपनी ने बेची थी, ईस्ट इंडिया होटल्स कंपनी जिसके पास ये जमीन थी उसने DLF को ये जमीन दी थी। अभी भी ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है, सीधे रुख करते हैं एक बार फिर से इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का।
The land was finally acquired in the year 2006. When this land was acquired and the project was to go on stream, at that time it was thought that in the total land, 273 acres belongs to HSIDC and about 75 acres belong to Huda. In 2004 itself, it has been decided that this project should be a combined project of HSIDC, Huda, and they should either jointly do it themselves or they should get a private person to do this particular project. And in 2004 itself, it was also said that the clearances for this project should be obtained by the government, and in pursuance of that, a letter was also sent to Ministry of Environment and Forest for getting the clearance of the land. So which means that most of the contours of the project had already been set, and then the decision was taken that this particular project should not be allotted to anybody. At the same time, it is not possible for HSIIDC and Huda to directly implement the project. So the best route which was considered to implement this project was by international competitive bidding route. The project concept remained the same which was given by the PGA consultants, and after that, for getting the valuation of land, the HSIIDC appointed ILFS for getting the valuation of land. The government also set up a separate committee headed by Secretary Town and Country Planning with Secretary Industries, Director Town and Country Planning, MD HSIDC, Special Secretary Finance as members to implement this project as a subcommittee of the board of HSIDC, and then each and every decision was also ratified by the state government.